my channel, and my name is Aquarius. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. So the world is opening back up slowly but surely, and of course y'all know I had to go out and buy me some stuff. Now I didn't go crazy and I didn't want to wait in long lines, so I decided to just go to places that I can get in and out of fairly quickly. Of course, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, and I think we were one of the first states to open back up. Not a real good thing, but anyway, I really wanted to go and find me a few items to finish my bedroom off. So I'm going to start with the first item. One goal of my channel was to, you know, start taking you guys out with me more, do a little bit more vlogging, and that was on my vision board. But oh my god, you know, 2020 has really shown us that, hey girl, I don't care about your vision. Period, boo. Okay, so I bought my very first GoPro, and it's the GoPro 7. Now I haven't opened it or anything yet. I told myself that I was going to wait, put it on a charger and do all of those things, but it is the silver GoPro, and I don't know if this one flip up or not, but I know that it has GPS, it has voice control. I can take this with me if I wanted to go swimming. I can go underwater and it won't mess up. It films in 4K, and it also takes really great pictures. So this is GoPro Hero 7. So that's awesome, and it comes with the battery. It looks like a mount is inside of it as well. I can charge it. You can also sync this to your phone. So I don't think this one flips up and has a it is touchscreen, but the screen doesn't flip forward. So I'm gonna have to definitely use my phone. My whole goal was to be able to use this a little bit more discreetly than my big bulky Sony camera or my cell phone camera. It's a lot more noticeable when I'm out and I'm shopping and stuff like that. So we have a lot more coming on my channel, so you guys, I'm so excited about it. I paid $200 for this, and I bought it from Best Buy. Now Best Buy is only doing curbside pickup. I also saw this product online, and I really do like to shop at Amazon, but with electronics, I like to go in and play with it, and I like to, you know, if it didn't come directly from GoPro, I wasn't gonna buy it. I saw this for $168. It has something like it said e-commerce. I didn't know what that meant. I think it meant refurbished. Don't know yet. Might want to Google that. But my husband was like, it's got a lot of negative reviews. I would feel more comfortable if you went inside the store and purchased your from Best Buy or Target or somewhere like that, other than, because there was so many negative reviews on the e-commerce ones that was like $40 cheaper. So this was $200, and I'm excited. Who is excited? Who else excited? I'm excited. Okay, so you know, I had to buy me some accessories to go with it, because again, I'm going to be filming in my car a lot and talking to you guys, telling you where we're going, you know, keeping in touch a little bit more. And this is the mount. I can mount this on the outside of my vehicle. Not that I'm going to, but that was just one of the things to let me know how durable it was. It's a suction cup, and it was $40. And also purchased this from Best Buy for $40. And I will link all my products or everything that I'm showing you today in the description box in case you want to purchase them for yourself. Now, I have plenty SD cards because I film a lot of videos for YouTube, of course. But I wanted one with a high speed. I don't like when the camera shuts off in the midst of you talking, so I purchased a 128 gigabyte. This is also waterproof, temperature proof, shock proof, and x-ray proof. I'm not gonna be doing all that, so that really doesn't matter to me, but I wanted something that could actually keep up with the GoPro. So that's what I purchased from Best Buy. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put on a charger as soon as I'm done filming this video. This is huge. This is artwork. And it's by Sarah Brooks. And you know that you can find her stuff inside of, not Marshall's. I'm sorry, I'm having a moment here. Homegoods. I got this from Homegoods. It is so pretty. And you guys, it go perfect with my bathroom downstairs. So you know, if you've watched my video on my living room tour, everything on my main floor is taupe, gold, silver, and white. So when I saw this, it has every single element and it picked up every color that I was going for in my bathroom. And this is the last piece to my powder room downstairs. And yes, you guys, that is going to be the next video. And it'll be very short because the powder room is really, really small. And it didn't take a lot to decorate it. So with that being said, I purchased this picture for $50. I felt like that was a very great price for the quality of artwork that I have here. Again, it's by Sarah Brooks. You guys, go to your local home goods store. Not now, because the lines are out of this world. But when things slowly open back up and people get used to being out again, of course it won't be like that. And you can find some really good low price artwork for your home. You don't have to always spend $300, $400 for good artwork. So I can't link this below, but you should go and they would have similar stuff. I know Ross tends to also sell some of Sarah Brooks products. And how I know who they are is because I'm in there more, well, before being quarantined, I was in there 2 to 3 times a week just to look around and get ideas for my home. So yes, we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, you guys, so the next items are from Marshall's. Now, I like to complete a room. I know people and other YouTubers really enjoy buying things that necessarily just because you want them, okay? I don't do that. I like to shop with a purpose. I like to complete a room first before moving on to another project in my home. So I know you guys have seen me share a little bit of my master bedroom reveal, but of course I wasn't done. And I'm still not all the way done. I still need a tree. I really need a fake tree and a white rug, and then I feel like I'll be done. So let's just say you see those pink lamps? People kept saying, oh my God, I can't believe you just added pink lamps to your bedroom. Well, I wanted to add because, you know, I'm married and my husband's here with me. I didn't want to push pink on him, so I wanted to put like small elements of pink that can easily be removed from the room in case he didn't like it. But I bought these really pretty pillows, and it's 2 for $20. This is why I was ready, you know, for the world to open back up, because I'm the person that needs to actually feel and touch and look at. You know, online shopping is great, but in-store shopping is amazing. That's all I'm saying. It's a difference. And at Marshall's, of course, you get 2 pillows for $20. You cannot beat that. So these pillows match really well with my pink lamps that you see on the left and the right side of the bed. And I like that this one had a little bit more detailing in it. I mean, I spend $20 on fast food, and that's just for 2 people, okay? So it was nothing for me to get these pillows. Absolutely nothing. So the next one is also from Marshall's, and it is a different texture of pillows. Okay, first of all, you can never have enough throw pillows. Hell, if I don't use these in here, then I'm probably going to use them in another room, or I can even put in my office chair, so they'll get some use. And I love how they feel. Oh my God, it's so soft and smooth, and they're plush. They are a set of 2. There was also for $20. Can you believe that it was $20? It was $20, okay? I ordered some pillows offline that are behind me that I'm not too thrilled with, and I'll tell you guys about that in another video. But I ordered them online, and I think I paid $30 a piece for them, and the quality is garbage. Total garbage. Yeah, so I'm very dissatisfied with my online purchase, and that's why I don't like shopping online. But anyway, I have 2 beautiful white pillows that I can use. Of course, I'm gonna put them on my bed. So nice. I'm gonna have it all over me by the time really, really pretty. Smooth. So basically $10. $10. Come on, y'all. I mean, I'm just so happy that our stores are opening back up for me. Yes, I am. So Marshall's is definitely the place you want to go for throw blankets. I got this pink blanket that I believe it. Now, just think, I can have different shades of pink. It's not the exact same color, but it all ties in with each other. So I guess I'll go ahead and get that video up for you guys next. It was $14.99. These type of throws are, I know at some of the higher end stores you can pay over $100 for this. I paid less than $20 for this. Guys, dress your home. Decorate your home. It makes you feel so good. It makes you proud that that is your space. It allows you to really put your stamp on where you are, your personality. Like, you know my personality and everything by looking around my room. I'm so girly. I love everything that just makes me feel so comfortable. And I think it's also great for photographs. I mean, this is a very photogenic room, if you can say that. Anyway, I bought a starburst, but my husband already put it up, so I will just insert a picture of what it looks like on the wall so that you guys can see. So I purchased the starburst from the at-home store, and because it had a small little dent on it, I was able to get it 50% off. So that was amazing. Instead of it being $84, I believe I paid around $42 for it, if I'm not mistaken. So I definitely took advantage and hurry up and put it in my cart and was gone because it was barely noticed. Now you guys, that was the final thing that I purchased for my haul and for my bedroom. And make sure if you like videos like this, you guys, you comment below. You know, let me know what was your favorite item that I purchased, and just talk to me. I love hearing from you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in another video.